Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pesto pasta, updated. Start by blanching basil for a few seconds, then shock in ice water to keep color. Toast pine nuts lightly to boost flavor and aroma without burning. Pulse garlic, nuts, cheese, and salt in a food processor, then stream in olive oil until silky. Cook pasta al dente and mix with pesto, adding reserved pasta water to reach your preferred consistency. Gather ingredients and prep them before you start cooking to keep momentum and avoid overcooking pasta. Measure out basil, cheese, nuts, garlic, and lemon zest so everything is ready. Toast nuts in a dry pan until fragrant, then cool before grinding to prevent bitterness. Grate cheese fresh for creaminess and flavor. Having reserved pasta water nearby makes finishing the sauce smooth and stress-free for a quick toss. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making these easy recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a pleasantly fresh car after grocery trips, because nothing ruins dinner prep like a stinky ride. It's a small, fun way to upgrade your kitchen run. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Boil salted water and cook pasta until it still has a slight bite, then save pasta water before draining. Mix a few tablespoons of water into the pesto to loosen it, then add pasta and toss gently until coated evenly. Adjust texture with more water or oil for a silky finish. Plate promptly, topping with extra cheese and a splash of lemon if you like, and enjoy a bright, herbal bowl every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.